Hey friends, if you encounter the error audio service is not responding on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the Windows audio services. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services application. Then scroll down to the Windows audio service, right click on it and then select the speaker physically. Try connecting it to a different device, see if that helps or not, and if it doesn't, then it could be an issue with the drivers being pushed by the speaker itself. The next is to update audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of audio drivers. Right click on the first one, update driver. Second one, update driver. Third one, update driver. Now here's one thing. Here's how I fix the problem. Okay. So here's how you can fix the problem. Search for drivers from the manufacturer's website. Like I searched for I have an Asus computer. I'll search for Asus drivers. You can search for Dell drivers, HP drivers, Lenovo drivers. It's the absolute same process, only the websites are different. So I went to Asus center, I mean the Asus download center. I searched for the model number of my computer, which is FA507RE, and I searched for it. And then I went to drivers and tools, and I will let it load. It will need a while to load the page. Then I will scroll down and I will find the audio drivers. I will click on download for the audio drivers. I'll click on this option and I'll click on yes, and then I'll click on OK, and then next and next and then next and then next, and install the audio drivers. And this fixed my problem because these are the best drivers for your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.